We found a fair coin's heads is 1 out of 2, just by looking. But what about a trickier event, like rolling an even number on a die? Don't guess. There's a rule, and it's just counting. First, one important word. On a fair die, every face, 1 to 6, has the same chance. On a fair coin, heads and tails are just as likely. When every outcome has the same chance, we call them equally likely. Our rule needs that. Here's the rule. When every outcome is equally likely, the probability of an event equals the number of favorable outcomes, divided by the total number of outcomes. Favorable just means the outcomes that match our event. Count them, divide, done. Let's find the probability of an even number. Total outcomes, a fair die has 6 faces, 1 to 6. That's 6. Favorable outcomes, the even ones are 2, 4, and 6. That's 3. So the probability is 3 out of 6. And 3 over 6 is the same as 1 over 2. Let's remember, when outcomes are equally likely, probability equals favorable over total. For an even number on a die, that's 3 over 6, 1 over 2. Change the event, just count again.